Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Finishing up some models that I started last year. I had this Kato SD40, completely converted it to a Canadianized SD40 with the pilot plow, ditch lights, moved the headlights to the nose, put the bell in the right position, the horn in the right position, etc. Custom weathered, tsunami sound in it. So let's take a look at this guy. So you can see all the LED lighting. I know that the Canadian models don't flash their lights, but I've had other people ask for them to flash, so I just make them flashing. They can be not flashing if you don't want it to. The full bank of photos is going to be up on eBay. Get this thing into the appropriate lighting here. Pretty much highly detailed. I mean, it's not every single detail is correct for the Canadianized version, but it is a Kato American version, North American version, and I got most of the important details. Most important thing besides the detailing is the weathering. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I got the single rear light on there as well. And the lift rings as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.